Hello, welcome to the Quick Assist. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use appointment booking feature to schedule appointments, manage bookings, and streamline the booking process. Let's get started. We have to go in appointment section. Here, in department section, we can create one department by clicking on add departments, giving it a name, click on save. After that, there comes the option of creating a user. Click on create user. Here we can give a name. Here we can add the email address and click on save. Once we have added the user, here we can set a slot for each day. By clicking on this button, here we can add a day, select the start time and the end time. Click on add. Like this, we can add for every day. Suppose Tuesday. So like this, we can create for all the days. Here, we can give it a schedule name. And in settings section, here we can select the duration. We can add the duration that we want to add. Suppose 20 minutes. Here we can also add a break time. Here we can add the break time. For example, 10 minutes we can add. Here there is also a rescheduling limit we can add in hours, days or minutes. Here the cancellation policy is also there. Here we can add number of cancellation limit week. Here comes the reminder alert notification. Here we can set up to 3 reminders before the appointment. And then we can click on save changes. Here in the overview section, we can see our week availability, upcoming bookings, and inspect our daily slots. Now, if we want to add this appointment into our workflow, we can do this by going into appointment section. If we want to add this appointment, we can add this into the automation section. Go in manage automation. Here we can click on create workflow. Here we can set a trigger keyword, suppose hi. We can also add a text button. Click on book appointment and added the request intelligence. So in this way, we can add book appointment into our workflow. That's it for the appointment booking feature. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Quick Assist tutorials.